What we have seen of Hitler was enough to know that he would do anything to leave it. On the street, a child was, one of these German soldiers walked on the street and the child didn't go out of his way right away. He picked up the kid and threw it against the tree. So you knew already what attitude they had. My mother found someone who was willing to ferry it across the river. So in the middle of the night, this man in a very dinky boat ferried us across the river. And my father said that this is very risky because the boat is terrible and that if the boat sinks, he can't rescue 3 people. And he was the only good swimmer in the family. So my mother said, well, we all have to die sometimes. And off we went in this boat and landed on the Russian side.